I'm going to say something that's unpopular in the finance community. Budgets don't work. Not for me, not for most people, okay? And no, it's not because you're bad with money. It's because traditional budgeting is broken. And I know because I saved $60,000 in 3.5 years, and I never once tracked how much I spent on coffee. Here's the thing. Budgeting in spreadsheets or apps sound responsible, but it's exhausting. You track every category, every latte, every $8 impulse buy. It's such a chore, and you'll find any excuse not to do it. So I stopped budgeting and I built a system instead, one that protects my goals and lets me spend guilt-free. It's how I got good with money without even trying, before I even had it, right? The internet says track your categories weekly. Cut all non-essential spending. That legit sounds like a horrible time. You need to track every dollar, so you give up. Then you think you failed, but really the system failed you. Because budgeting is reactive. It's about controlling what already happened. Wealth is built by being proactive. Instead of tracking every expense, automate your priorities. Savings, investments, bills, those should move automatically the moment you get paid. Then you live on what's left. No guilt, no spreadsheets. And no, it's not too good to be true. Stay with me. I will show you. Step 1. Make your money invisible. That's the secret. When my paycheck hits, most of it disappears instantly. This is exactly what we want. It goes to savings, it goes to a Roth IRA, investments, bills. Money we don't see is money we don't spend. What's left? That's my fun money. That account I can blow to zero, and yes, we do. So it's dinners out, gifts, massages, whatever. Like, I don't care what you spend that money on. Like, no guilt because everything else is already covered. But you best believe that once that account goes to zero, we are cut off for the month. This is what I mean when I say I hate budgeting. I don't want to track how much I spent on coffee, how much I spent eating out, how much I spent shopping for shoes. I don't care. I already put $550 in my fun money account to spend on whatever I want. Because it doesn't matter. What matters is your savings rate. Automate your money towards your goals, and your day-to-day spending becomes just life. You stop obsessing over dollars and start focusing on growth. When I started doing this, I was working at a nonprofit, making $43,000 a year on average, and 3.5 years later, I had $60,000 saved and invested without ever budgeting. I was legit shocked when I saw my savings so high because I wasn't doing anything. It was happening in the background while I was just living. Here's the truth. Budgeting is about guilt. Systems are about growth. You don't need just discipline. You need design. Start by automating just one thing this week. Your savings, your Roth IRA, your rent, then watch how much lighter your brain feels. If you're still watching, you're already ahead of 90% of the people out there. Congratulations. And that's how we're going to close the wealth gap, all right? Subscribe so you don't miss the next video coming out every Sunday. All right, bye friends.